Hi, today I'm making 3 different kinds of bucket hats. I'm gonna make the classic one, a minimal one, and a third one just for fun. So let's start with the classic one that is reversible. So I picked this mustard yellow corduroy and this leopard print. That's how they look together. I always make tests with fabrics that I don't like that much or I have a lot of, so I can see how it's gonna turn out because I want to know. I don't want to waste a fabric that I actually like on something that's not gonna look the way I want it to look. So I made this first test and it's bad. I just look at a picture of the bucket hat and I was eyeballing the measurements and they weren't right, obviously. It's to the circle, like the base, it's fine, it fits my head, but these 2 pieces are way too small. So I will suggest you do the same. You just try it first in a fabric that you don't like that much. And yes, so because of this, now I know that this piece and this piece have to be at least twice this size. And this is how they look like. This is the top circle. Then I have the one in the middle, it's a rectangle. And the last one I made the same way you made a circular skirt. And now I'm gonna cut the fabric, both the corduroy and leopard print. Finished cutting them. They are this one, all 6 pieces, and now I'm gonna sew them together. This is how they look like once they're sewn, and now I'm gonna make little cuts all around. Like this, all around the top, and so it looks prettier, like the finishing, it's gonna be prettier, and I'm gonna do that to both of them. Now I stitched, I don't know if you can see the edge here and here, so it looks better and it stays in place. And now I put them together like this. These are the fronts of the fabrics, and I'm gonna sew all around except for like a couple inches, and that's where I'm gonna flip it inside out and then I'm gonna close it. So this is how it looks like. Some bucket hats have a few rows of stitching, like 4 or 5. I don't like how it looks, so I'm just gonna leave it like this. And now I'm making the minimal one. It's basically the same top part of the other one, but instead of the 2 pieces here, I'm gonna make vertical ones that are gonna get wider by the end. And this is the only picture I could find. This is from Zara, I think. And this is the fabric I'm gonna use. It's really pretty. And I'm not sure, I don't think I'm gonna make it reversible, but if I do, I'm gonna use this fabric. This is how the piece looks like. It's like 1/4 of the circle. And now I'm going to sew these pieces together, all 4 of them. And this is how it's going. I did a stitching here on both sides, I don't know if you can see. And now I'm gonna do the hem. And this is how it looks like. It's more simple but still maintains the bucket hat shape. And now for the last one is a hat that I found, I think, on Dazed and Confused Instagram. And it's by this designer, artist, I don't remember the name, I'm gonna put it here. And it's a clear plastic hat with stuff inside, like candy and safety pins and things like that. So I have this plastic, it has glitter in it, but I think it's gonna work. And I've been trying to find garbage that I could use, and I have this stuff, that's what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna try to find more because I don't think this is enough, but yes, I'm gonna use the same patterns as the first one, and I think that for this stuff to stay in place I'm gonna have to glue them. So yes, I finished them. That's how they look like. And now I'm gonna start gluing the things into one of them. This is all I could find. I'm gonna go check again because I don't think it's gonna be enough.